Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnail, I'm about to show you how to use Tabby for the first time. So make sure to watch until the end, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so if you're wondering what Tabby even is, it's basically a buy now pay later app, which means you can shop now and pay in 4 interest-free payments. No stress, no hidden fees. So here's how to use Tabby if you have never touched it before. So first, just download the Tabby app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Just sign up using your phone number. It works with popular online store in UAE, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Bahrain, and more. So once you're in, you can browse stores directly on the app, or you can just go to the website like Shein, H&M, or whatever Tabby is accepted. Well, here as you can see, the discounts are higher in the actual app. Now when you're ready to check out, just choose Tabby as your payment method. And it will ask you to split the payment. So you can pay 25% now and the rest later. No interest, no pressure. Well, anyway guys, just be sure your info is legit. You need to be 18 plus, have a valid ID, and working debit or credit card. They will approve you pass. It's pretty simple, right? Use Tabby just like any other payment method. You will love how flexible it is, especially if you're low on cash but still wanna shop. So yeah, that's how you use Tabby for the first time. Super easy, super smooth, and no stress. Thanks for watching, and if you have more questions, just drop them below. So I hope this video helped you out.